Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you report a post of any of the poster into your Bitget community. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application, you will just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply select that icon and choose your profile from this section, and after that go to community directly. Now after going into the community, you will just simply have to select any of the profile where you would like to report the post. For example, I'm selecting this Ashrak into here, and then go to his post directly. And after going into the post, just simply open any of the posts that you would like to report. And after opening the post, you will get to see these three dots below the post. Just simply tap to three dots, and then you will get the option to report from here. Just simply tap to report, and after that you have to select the criteria of report, such as if it is any kind of personal or fake advertisement, fraud, malware sting, and many other options. Just simply choose any of the option and describe your details into this page, and you can upload evidence images into this section and tap to submit. And after this, you can easily report a post into Bitget community. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.